big boy stance in my Firecracker red color gets me so pumped up, y'all. And you know we are dominated with Ford sales, but seeing a Ram like this come through the shop and through the dealership gets me so pumped up. We get these trucks in not often enough on the Ram side, and when we get one, it's like we're like eyeing it, like, can we customize this one? Please, whoever we sell it to, let's talk them into doing something. And Walt was the one that graciously was able to do this with a great customer. And man, what a beast, y'all. We are 16-inch BDS lifted, dual steering stabilizer, Fox shocks, radius arm kit, bushwhacker fender flares, 37, 13.5, 22s on fuel sledge wheel in gloss black and meal. The trail grapplers are just so aggressive. If these were like ridge grapplers or something, it just wouldn't be what it's supposed to be. Look at such a substantial truck. Dennis actually did a wrap on the Ram logo up front. We got strobe lights as well. The offset and stance being on a 12 wide is just money, dude. This truck is so proportional and balanced because it's so big. I mean, that front grille looks, I mean, it's such a huge truck. That grille's so broad and tall. Coming down the road, this is just a menacing overall look. Did amp research, power boards on the side, Lumar tint. You saw the strobes running through it also. Out back, got the LEDs. I mean, this truck, the Laramie truck, the premium overall interior specs. We're about to jump in and show you how great the interiors on the Ram trucks are now. But on this outside, y'all, coming down the road, this truck is so big, it just screams, oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my gosh, this is incredible. Let's go inside. On the inside of the 2022 Akins Ram 3500 Laramie Night Crew Cab 4x4, y'all, I'm telling you now, the interior of the Ram trucks have greatly improved. Don't get it twisted. They are a major player. The big 12-inch touchscreen is a game changer as well, more elongated like an iPad. You got center gauge cluster right there. Just premium material, a great feel all the way around. Premium audio systems as well. Wild Willies, Akins Ford, Chrysler Dodge Jeep, Ram. Don't forget it, y'all. We have Ram trucks as well. Much coming to you this year. We have BDS kits available, Carly kits available to take care of all your Ram needs. Hit us up, y'all. Thanks so much. Hit that subscribe button because I'm out here filming in the rain because I love what I do. That's worth a subscribe and a like right there. Don't you think? Thanks so much for watching. Peace out.